Hi, this is Mystic CHIVICIN, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel today. Today we'll be beginning a series on flyer design. So it will be a complete course on flyer design, and we'll be discussing. These are what we'll be discussing in this course. We're discussing about the art of flyer design, what makes a great flyer, color principle, the principle of font. We'll be looking at some resources, some flyer resources, discussing on Creative Corner, and we'll be seeing some practice videos which we can use to engage ourselves. One thing I will assure everybody is that when you take this course completely, I can assure you that it will improve your graphic design skills. As in this course, when you take it can scale you from a newbie to become a professional when you take this course seriously. So we'll be releasing several videos for this particular course. We'll be releasing several videos for this particular course, and I know that it will bless you very well. So today we'll be beginning with what is a flyer. What is a flyer? What is a flyer? So when I say flyer, what will regularly come to your mind? I know many people will say flyer is just like a handbill, so that's what some people call flyer. Some people will call flyer a handbill, something like this, a handbill that is being printed for the sake of advertising. Like for example, I might want to come up with an event and I'll print the handbill for that event, and that I'll be sharing to people. That's a flyer. Some people will even call flyer something like a design that should advertise something like an event, an institution, a brand. So that's what some people will call flyer. That's why you now say we have something like birthday flyers, we have church flyer, under that we have social media flyers, we have different flyers. So all these definitions are very very correct. They are very very correct. But I would like to put flyer I would like to give it a definition that will really capture what it's all about in its entirety. And that is when you hear the word flyer, what the first thing that should come to your mind is something that flies. If I say flyer, this thing is a flyer. This thing is a flyer. That means it is something that can fly. It is something that flies. So, for example, an aeroplane is a flyer, something that can fly things. Something that can fly. It's not just flying; it is flying things. So when I say a pilot is a flyer because a pilot flies things. So when I say flyer, it's talking about something that flies things, something that flies and flies things. That's a flyer. Now, this I'm giving it this definition because everything that surrounds the idea behind flyer is revolving around this particular definition I just gave it. So when you're designing a flyer, your flyer should fly, and it should fly the brand you're designing for. If I'm designing a birthday flyer, that birthday flyer should fly, and it should fly. If I'm designing a church flyer, it should fly that church. If I'm designing for an event, it should fly that event. There's a particular flyer I saw on a billboard, and just by seeing that, as I was looking at that flyer, I was glued at the way the graphic designer designed it because it was so professional. And while I was looking at it, somebody saw it also and came to stand beside me and was looking at it also. And just by looking at that flyer, the person already made up her mind that she will attend that event because of how beautiful the flyer was designed. So flyers can determine the turn up of what you're coming up with. It might be an event, it might be a brand, it might be anything. So your flyer can determine how people will engage with it. How people will engage with it. It can determine if they will engage with it poorly or they will engage with it fast. So that is the idea behind flyers. when you're designing anything, it should fly. It should fly. So that's what we'll be discussing in this particular flyer design course. We'll be looking at the things that will make your flyer flies, which are we'll be looking at every flyer you see has principles behind it. Now look at these flyers I'll be showing you. Look at these flyers I'll be showing you. Look at this flyer. Very beautiful. There are principles behind these flyers. There are principles behind this flyer. Look at this flyer. 14th of the Lightroom. This flyer, all these flyers I'm showing you now, I designed them. These flyers now, there are principles behind them. Look at this flyer. It's a birthday flyer. Very beautiful. There are principles behind them. Don't just get wowed at them. These are the principles you'll be looking at in this course. Look at this, okay? Let me show you more. Look at this flyer. First option, Tom Brown. Very beautiful. Look at this flyer. You can see how beautiful they are. They are selling the brand and they are selling the event. They are selling it. Family Breakthrough Special. Look at this flyer. Look at this flyer. So this is what we'll be discussing in this. This one is for a tech industry. This one we'll be discussing throughout this flyer design course. It shall be a full course. And we'll be preparing more videos for this particular flyer design course. We'll be preparing more videos, and I'm assuring you that as many that will attend, that will watch these videos and that will follow them very well, they will really scale. They will really expand their knowledge in graphic design. So as soon as we finish preparing those videos, I will drop the link to the videos under the description of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to it and tap the notification button. Turn on your notification button so that once we are putting more videos, especially for this flyer design masterclass, you should get notified about them. So turn on your notification button, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help us drop a comment. Thank you very much for watching. This is Mystic CHIVICIN. Thank you very much, and God bless you.